Most people get this wrong when comparing reward apps. They think every app that promises money for playing games pays the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps are designed to reward you consistently, while others depend heavily on ads, luck, and slow point systems. In this video, you will clearly understand the difference between Givvy and Mistplay in 2026, which one actually pays more, how the earning systems work, and which app is worth your time if your goal is real rewards and not wasted hours. Let's get straight into it. First, Mistplay is one of the more established reward apps. It pays users for playing mobile games and leveling them up. The more you play, the more units you earn. These units can be exchanged for gift cards. So the system is stable, but here's the problem. Earnings are slow unless you play high-reward games consistently. For a user like Jake who plays casually 20 minutes a day, it can take weeks to reach even a small payout. Now let's talk about Givvy. Givvy video app and its related games follow a different model. You usually earn by watching ads, playing simple games, or completing small tasks. It feels faster at first, and that's why many users get excited. But here's where it gets interesting. The payout per task is often very small, and users report needing a large number of ads or sessions to reach minimum withdrawal. So which one actually pays more in 2026? If we compare consistency, Mistplay wins. It has a more structured reward system, and payouts are more reliable once you reach thresholds. But if we compare speed of small early earnings, Givvy can feel quicker in the first day or two. The catch is that it slows down heavily after that. Now here's the important part most beginners miss. Neither of these apps is a full income source. They are side activity apps. So the real question is not, which makes you rich, but which wastes less of your time for the reward you get. For most users, Mistplay ends up being more predictable. Givvy feels faster but less stable over time. Before you choose, think about your goal. If you want steady gift card earnings while gaming, Mistplay is the better option. If you just want quick, small rewards from aids and simple tasks, Givvy might be enough. So here's the final takeaway. Mistplay is slower but more reliable. Givvy is faster at the start but inconsistent long term. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, drop a comment with which app you've tried, and subscribe for more honest app reviews and earning breakdowns.